a before and after of 6 weeks of use. I personally love using this product. Hair removal at a salon is so expensive. This is going to save you a lot of money, and I'm going to show you why. So in today's video, I have something a little bit different for you all. I am a big fan of hair removal. I have been doing it for a number of years now, but I think I have found the one. So in today's video, I shall be trying out for you guys the DermRays V8S hair removal device. Now that takes the price down to around $469, which is around £370, which is a big saving. Hair removal at a salon is so expensive. This is going to save you a lot of money, and I'm going to show you why. So first of all, love the packaging. It is very simple. Let's unbox her. Okay, we have the instructions. Ooh, a nice dust sheet bag. She feels so soft. Then we have an eraser, a pretty decent one as well. So this is something that we're going to use before we use the device. Oh, and here she is. Oh my goodness. She kind of looks a bit like a hairdryer, but she isn't. This is fantastic. I absolutely love the handle on first impression. Some hair removal devices, they're very awkward to maneuver around your body. This looks like it'll be super simple, and it's a good length. It's pretty long in length actually, so you can definitely get a full body treatment going on. So my first impressions, this is a great sleek design. It looks super user friendly. It does have 810 diode laser technology, which means it penetrates into the follicles much more efficiently. Now, if you are someone like me who finds hair removal a little tedious, then this is a product for you because it does have maximum energy, so it's much more efficient during each session. It does reduce hair on average around 82% in just 8 weeks. I also love the fact that it's FDA approved, and there's also a 90-day money-back guarantee on it. It also has 2 years warranty, and it's just much more efficient and cheaper than a salon. You will save so much more money with this device. You own it. You can do it whenever you want. Now let me talk you through week by week. Now by week 1 to 4, hair becomes finer and grows slower. Week 5 to 8, hair becomes increasingly sparse, and by week 9 to 12, almost 99% of hair is nearly gone, leaving the skin smooth and refined. And it's so easy to use. All you need to do is cleanse, shave, and towel dry the skin. Secondly, just plug in the device and then turn it on. Next, you just need to choose your treatment level, and also you do not need to use eye protection for this device. And I have to admit, that is something that I absolutely hated when it came to other hair removal devices. Being able not to wear eye protection and just having like that flashing light is an absolute game changer to me. Next, all you need to do is unlock the device to enter ready mode. All you need to do is double click, and then you just need to start treatment. Now you can do this by stamping or gliding along the skin. Now you're probably wondering, how long does it take to do your full body? Now, due to its 4 times larger head, it only takes around 15 minutes to do a full body. That means your face, your underarm, your bikini area, genitals, your arms, legs, 15 minutes. That larger head is such a game changer, and it's super groundbreaking. It's much bigger than other hair removal devices. Now, because this delivers much more energy than other IPL devices, it's just a lot more efficient. Now, this is because the laser energy is precisely absorbed by the melanin in the hair root, ensuring each pulse works at maximum effectiveness to permanently disable the hair follicles. So again, if you're someone like me who is really bad at doing hair removal and sticking to a schedule, this is definitely the one you need to try. It just gives your skin longer lasting smooth skin without the irritation of ingrown hairs, for example. It is really hassle free. So how did I get on with it? Here is a before and after of 6 weeks of use. I personally love using this product. It is so user friendly. I think I've said that 10 million times, but it really is. I have to admit, I do think I need to use this for a little bit longer, but I am chuffed with the first 6 weeks. I cannot wait to see how I'm looking in a few weeks' time. I must stress, this is pain-free to use. you won't feel a thing. It does also have a TEC cooling system, so it doesn't burn against your skin. So it actually keeps the skin below 66 degrees Fahrenheit during a 30-minute period, so your skin won't feel a thing. It will be lovely and cool and calm and not baking hot. A big one for me is that it has given me a huge saving. My sister actually went to a salon to get hair removal, and it was so damn expensive. And just to add as well, you have to keep topping up, spending more money. This would be great for you just to keep on top of those treatments, or just to do the whole treatment yourself. It's just a bit of everything. It's the treatment and it's the top-up treatments. I'm going to put in a graph right now. This is on estimate how much you can save with this product. So if you want to go completely hair-free, like I am, you're going to absolutely love this product. I do have to add that this is suitable for most skin and hair tones. Just check the chart here if this is suitable for you. I must add that because I would hate for you guys to buy it and it not be suitable for you. But here's a chart, and this is something they've actually included on the back of their boxes as well. So do I recommend this? Absolutely. I don't say this lightly, and I don't recommend products that I do not believe in. This is 100% a fantastic investment, especially with the saving right now. I do think that this is a great investment. I love the fact that there's a 90-day money back guarantee, so if this is just not working for you, you can send it back. It's also got a 2-year warranty, so if something happens to it, you can contact them and get the issue sorted. It is FDA approved as well, so it's super safe to use at home. And I'm going to say this again for the 50 millionth time. It does save you money. Going to a salon is super, super expensive. This will make things a lot cheaper, and you can use it whenever you want. You don't have to book an appointment. You don't have to wait. You can get on and just do it yourself. And you don't have to wear eye protection. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I know this was a little bit different, but if you are looking for a hair removal device that is super effective, super quick, something that you can keep at home, have salon results at a fantastic price, definitely get DermRays.